Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana. Wow, Solana discounts. I've been talking about Solana in my Discord and my signals. When we were trading up at $30, I used to say that I'm expecting Solana to go to $8, $8, and it's a technical target. Now the problem with this, and you might wonder why do I say $8, is because the weekly is the main catalyst. So if I want to remove all the drawings right now and go through you step by step, number one, you might see two patterns, and the first pattern is that you do have this huge downtrend and a bear flag. So that was the bear flag, and I talked about this one also some few months ago when we were up at $40 and we were breaking down that, hey, that's a clear bear flag, and if you have a bear flag like this one, then you're looking for Solana to drop from there to there, and you're looking for Solana to come down nearly, you can see $8 or $7. Okay, so that was the first pattern that we talked about, but it doesn't really stop at $8 because there's another pattern. The second one, that was the first one. The second one is a clear head and shoulder. So this was your I'm just gonna draw this line like that, and you can see very clearly that's your left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder right there, and the technical target is gonna be, if I take the trend line now from the top to the bottom right there, you do have Solana popping out again, and you're looking for Solana to come down to $3.9 or $4, and that's where for me you have another big level of support, because if I do bring the weekly trend line right here down somewhere here, that for me is going to be a bottom for Solana, and also another amazing buying opportunity. So if it does come to $4, I don't think I mean, yeah, definitely that's a buy. I'm buying. The project is solid. I don't have any reason not to buy Solana at $4 again. Who doesn't want Solana at $4? Because you do have this one support there, one resistance there, broke out of it, came down, and look, you're about to come down there from that head and shoulder pattern. So it makes sense to come down there. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.